Hello friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to make a very easy recipe from the Malabar region of Kerala. That is none other than aval milk. This is basically aval, or you may call it poha or flattened rice, that is layered with peanuts and banana and dunked in cold milk. So let's start making it. For this, first we need 1 cup of aval and you have to roast it until it is crispy. I'm taking the white thin aval here, but you can always take the red variety or maybe the thick aval. Just roast it until it is crispy. Instead of doing it in the stove top, you can always microwave the aval so that it will get crispy. These are the ingredients we are using. We need banana, the ripe one. I'm taking just one, and Nesquik powder, and the aval, the roasted aval. See how crispy it is. And then we have milk 1 cup and peanuts, roasted peanuts. You can also add sugar to it as per your sweetness level. I'm not adding it because the banana is sweet and the Nesquik powder is also sweet. In Kerala, we don't use Nesquik powder. It is either Horlicks or Boost we add to this milkshake. Let's mash this banana first. I told you it's a very easy recipe. So if you have a sweet craving, this is something you can whip up with the ingredients that is easily available in your pantry. That's it. The prep work is over. Now we can start layering the ingredients. I'm actually layering it in the order of banana, aval, peanut and Nesquik powder, but you can layer it in any order you like, it doesn't matter. Don't forget to add sugar if you need an extra sweetness. This recipe is something which I came across maybe around 2 years back while searching for an easy recipe for the aval, and from that time I'm hooked to it because of the easiness and the taste. My daughter loves this aval milk. It's actually one of her after school snack and she loves to do this layering. I'll just keep all the ingredients ready and she's the one who does the layering. It's actually a very good activity for kids, you know. It's time to pour the milk. I'm not using boiled milk here, but if you want to boil the milk, don't forget to keep it in the fridge so that the milk will be cold while making this dish. Now let's garnish it with some more nuts. I'm also adding some condensed milk to it, but that is very optional. Let's mix all these ingredients together. And that's it, an easy, filling aval milk is ready to be served. Like I said, this is a very easy activity for your kids. Just keep all the ingredients ready and ask them to do the layering. They are going to be happy and very proud making their own milkshakes. So, how was the recipe today? If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be back with another easy recipe soon. Till then, goodbye.